Calling in the friends from College of Medical Technology. After po niya, we're calling in friends from Akarin. After niya, please prepare friends from Akarin. We're calling in all the friends from Akari. We're calling in again the friends from Akari. You are next. Please proceed in front. Friends from Akari. Again, after the photo, friends from Akari. Please proceed in front. Friends from Akari. Friends from Akari. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, we're announcing that we have a mirror selfie booth on the right side of the space. Also, we have a personalized souvenir program booth on the right side of the space. Just present your stuff, please. Para gusto yung personalized items as souvenir from the program. Lahat po, ma'am. Proceed in front. Lahat po ng guests for a group photo. Lahat po tayo would be having a photo opportunity with a couple. We're calling in all the guests to please join the photo. Punta po tayo sa gitna, lahat po ng guests for our photo opportunity. We are calling in all the guests to please proceed in the middle of the space for our recessional and photo opportunity. Again, calling all the guests, please proceed in the middle. All the guests, please proceed. All the guests, please proceed in the middle of the space for our recessional and group photo. Lahat po ng guests na nasa mirror booth natin at souvenir booth, punta po muna tayo dito sa gitna.